With ever-exhausted water resource in Taiwan, more eco-friendly and recyclable water sources must be taken into consideration. Water consumption at science parks and industrial areas in Taiwan is extensive. When developing water resources, we need to balance between environmental protection and economic boost. Business must take corporate green responsibilities in pursuit of sustainable water resources together. Sewage treatment process at Central Taiwan Science Park. Influent to wastewater basin. Then vortex grit removal tank. Regulation basin. pH regulation basin. Bioaeration basin. Secondary sedimentation basin. Followed by tertiary treatment. After filtration, stored at finished water reservoir. Reclaimed water could then be reused in situ or discharged via dedicated effluent tunnel. Sewage treatment process at industrial areas. After sewage enters inlet pumping station, it passes through preliminary treatment and then primary sedimentation basin. Primary sedimentation basin, removing settlable and suspended solids of the influent. Wastewater being primarily sedimented could achieve removal of about 50% of the settlable solids, grease, and floating debris, as well as 20% of BOD. By calculating the quality of removal unit of BOD or solids, primary sedimentation basin is the most economic treatment process. It can be easily applied as pre-treatment for domestic wastewater or industrial wastewater with more suspended solids. Followed by aeration basin. Aeration basin, a structure to utilize activated sludge process for sewage treatment. It provides a certain hydraulic residence time for a mixed condition, to which fulfilling the oxygen supply needed by aerobic microorganisms, as well as sufficient contact of wastewater and activated sludge. It mainly consists of a clarifier, an aeration system, and inlet-outlet. And through secondary sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection, to be released as effluent or industrially reused. Sewage treatment process at Futian Wastewater Treatment Plant. Wastewater gathered at sewage pumping station. First passes through screening and degridding to remove solid impurities from water. Then it proceeds to aeration basin to break down organic matters in the sewage. Followed by chlorine disinfection. At this point, water presented in a beaker is transparent effluent. Currently, Futian Wastewater Treatment Plant in Taichung has set up an effluent reclamation pilot plant. The idea is to recycle the treated water that was to be discharged, take it through a more advanced treatment process, and then provide it as industrial cooling water or for industrial manufacturing usage. Sewage treatment plants are indispensable keys for establishing a healthy and sustainable aquatic environment. With proper treatment, environmental pollution can be avoided and more utilizable water resources are created.